Hello everyone. Today we will be doing a dictation from newspaper editorial. The topic of the dictation is battery storage capacity must keep pace with solar energy generation. We will start the dictation in 10 seconds. 5 seconds to go. Start. India scaled a record peak demand of 256.1 gigawatt on April 25, with solar plants supplying 1.5% of the afternoon load on all-time high and the clearest signal yet that the country's installed solar fleet can do real work when the sun is overhead, but the same day's full 24-hour ledger told a more sobering story. When accounting for the whole day of April 25, solar contributed only about 10.8% of daily's generation and just 0.1% of the evening's needs after sunset. Solar's share of India's installed electric capacity has nearly doubled from about 15% in 2022 to nearly 28% in early 2026. However, solar accounted for roughly 5.6% of generation of India's peak demand day in 2022 and only increased to 10.8% this April. A clear indication of the yawning gap that remains between the realities of the present and what is possible. The bottleneck of not having panels, land, or ambition, but the ability to use the vast stores of generated electrons through batteries. In fact, such is the paucity of battery storage that states, which are prolific producers of solar power, are being asked to halt their supply lest it compromise the stability of India's electric grid. In 2025, India had to curtail 2.3 terawatt hours of solar generation between late May and December, equivalent to 18% of average monthly solar output, with 0.9 terawatt hour wasted in October alone. Given that producers of such electricity must be compensated, this ends up being a cost to the public exchequer, which pays for the power that was never delivered. The India Meteorological Department's forecast of a below normal monsoon at 92% of the long period average, the first such warning in 11 years, only sharpens the argument. A hotter, drier summer means greater daytime demand, which is precisely when solar should be doing the heavy lifting. The encouraging news is battery economics. Standalone 2-hour battery storage tariffs tell from around 2.21 lakh per megawatt per month in early 2025 to 1.48 lakh by year end The challenge is execution. Only 0.5 gigawatt hour of battery storage was operational in India by end 2025, with another 2.5 gigawatt hours expected by December 2026. The center and states must now focus less on tendering and more on commissioning, pairing every fresh solar auction with mandatory co-located storage and resolving the financially wall facing aggressively bid low tariff projects. Stop.